Yeah, what it is, guys. You know, I hope the mic is picking up, but you know, I lost my gas cap. You see right here, I found the when I was writing something. No, I'm not gonna. My PC. Fuck, I can't even talk. I gotta figure something out with my PC. It's not connected to my monitor no more, so I gotta figure that shit out. Alright, good. I gotta figure that shit out. But right now, I'm finna go to the spot that I seen my gas have, I guess, come off at. I'm finna try to figure that out. Then we gonna go do a mini bike adventure. Then we gonna figure out where we finna go to. But right now, my PC down, it's not connecting, so I gotta figure that shit out. But I seen a video. I had it on. Then 5 minutes later, that bitch was gone. But I seen where it fell off at. But I hope this mic sound right. I got a new one. I set it up a little bit different. Bumpy ass road. Hey, that's crazy. Every time people be having ride outs, they do it on the worst day that I can't come. That shit fell somewhere by Blue House. Cause I got this one. This is a lid off a fucking water bottle or something. I found it. Shoo. Look, and it got a little bit of damage to it. I cut myself. But fuck that. Hey, what's the look of that? That's crazy. I found that mug. Looking oh yeah. Then if y'all make it this far in the video, I was telling myself if I do a giveaway, I'm picking the winner. Cause I don't feel like the last winner appreciated my shit or even used it. Cause I'm not gonna lie. I mean, if y'all know about the mini bike scene in LA, shit is grimy out here. They get your shit and sell that shit and get their money. Just get money out of it. Like I spent $250 out my own money. Like that's I didn't even have a credit card at that time, so I couldn't get YouTube money. But I feel like I just got like bamboozled out of that giveaway. So next giveaway I'm gonna do, I'm picking a winner. I'm picking somebody that's loyal on my channel, and I can figure out who's loyal because I can see who's commenting, liking, and all that on my channel. So we'll go from there. But if anybody got a problem with that, y'all can go elsewhere, you feel me? That's just how that's gonna go. My channel, my rules, how I wanna run it, and from now on, I'm picking the winner of any giveaway I do from now on. Cause I don't think that nigga even like put it on, he ain't sent a video, that's just how I'm feeling. Like $250, y'all see where I'm coming from. Cause a nigga probably can just put that shit on offer or sold it to his homie. But I hope y'all understand where I'm coming from. I wanted that giveaway to be somebody, a kid who can't spend $250 to get the bill of rod, the bill of fly with the cam and all that, you feel me? This like too fucking long. For now on, my giveaway for people who can't afford to get shit. I'm picking people I know who's loyal to the channel. I don't even think that nigga watch my videos anymore. So that's what it is, you feel me? But yeah, that's just how I'm feeling. But hey, thank y'all for all the support on the channel. We at what like 3,100 subscribers. I turned my idle up to a little high. But sometimes I feel like my bike gonna cut off and the idle's not too right yet, but fuck it. Really need some spacers. Need like some 1mm spacers on that mug. Go check on my bottom end. They still ain't called me about that shit yet. Oh yeah, no, I don't know if I'll update y'all. They said 4 weeks for my bike, cause they had to re-sleeve my cylinder, so it's gonna take about 4 weeks for them to do that. So we should have dirt bike back in 4 weeks. Well, basically a month. So hey, dirt bike content coming soon. Y'all gonna see my wheelie progress. I feel like the bike bogging. Looking fucking road, it's like waves, like it go up and down. I don't know if y'all can tell on camera, but I'm bouncing up and down like a mug. Go to the skate park if there's nobody there. My idle too high. My idle hella high. One nigga here. Supra. Sheesh. Y'all know about the older 94 Supras and shit. Hey, if y'all made it this far, hey, should I take the mini bike to the skate park and go crazy? Looking